Hi guys! For today's video, I'll be sharing with you my go-to wedding guest makeup. Or actually, ito rin yung sinot ko na naging bridesmaid saka recently lang dun sa wedding ni DJ Kisses. Sa ilang beses ko umattend ng wedding, I think ang pinaka-effective na makeup is yung parang less is more. Hindi kailangan like super-duper plakado. Hindi mo kailangan like super-duper full coverage. Kasi yung mga ganong klase ng makeup, sometimes high maintenance. Alam mo yun? Kailangan mo bantayan. Kailangan mong i-retouch. Baka mamaya naging oily na yung face mo. Or baka mamaya nag-oxidize yung foundation mo. Now, I'm not saying this is the right way to do your makeup kapag may mga events. I'm just saying that this is my go-to. And sinishare ko lang sa inyo just in case you need, tips and tricks. So, first thing I'm going to do is apply sunscreen. And preferably, yung sunscreen na may sort of kind of brightening effect. So, I'm just going to let it set on my face. Like, really set on my face. At habang naghihintay tayo, meron akong i-share sa inyo guys. Kasi my God, if you're a fan of BTS or BT21, nagkaroon ng collaboration ang Fresh Philippines. Yes, Fresh Philippines. Nagkaroon sila ng collaboration with BT21. And naglabas sila ng mga really cute products na may BT21 characters. So first we have Fresh with BT21 Soothing Gel Lotion. 120 ml siya, pero yung sachet. This is perfect for traveling. Very convenient gamitin. Hindi mo kailangan ng spatula whatsoever. So meron tayo ng Jeju Aloe Eyes. Meron tayo ng one of my favorites, yung Watermelon Youthful Bliss. Green Tea and Cucumber. Ito naman for normal combination in oily skin. Meron pang isa nito, yung Tomato Glass Skin. Pero hindi siya kasama sa binigay sa akin. Pero ang meron sa akin na Tomato Glass Skin, you guys, is yung Soothing Gel Lotion mismo na 300 ml with 2 times the benefit. Fresh with BT21 70% ethyl alcohol solution alka spray. 100 ml yan. Meron siyang TheraProtect Complex and aloe vera para germ-free ka na, moisturize pa yung skin mo. Plus, guys, pwede siyang keychain. So, alam mo yun, pwede mo siyang ikabit sa bag mo and you can carry it anywhere. And then, we also have the 500 ml version. Ito naman pang bahay or pang, alam mo yun, pang office, pang whatever establishment. But wait, there's more, you guys. If you are a BT21 collector, you would really love this. Kasi meron ding special edition BT21 photo cards for every purchase of 499 pesos and up. And I am so freaking happy dahil napunta sa akin si Shuki. Kasi dahil bias ko si Min Yoongi, si Suga, and my little meow meow. So, I'm so happy na si Shuki yung napunta sa akin. So, alam mo yun guys, kung ikaw collector ng BT21 or you love BTS, go getching na ite. And you can get it sa mga leading stores, department stores, lalong-lalo na sa Watsons. From November 15 to 21, merong free shipping. Basta minimum spend na 599 for Watsons card holders yon. Now, next I'm going to do is the base na. And dahil nagustuhan ko talaga yung combination ng favorite serum mo and yung Get Ready With Me Radiance Tint. So, I'm going to use the shade Butter. So, para lang ako maglalagay ng tinted serum instead of a, full-blown foundation. Kasi dahil yung mga foundation talaga nag-oxidize sa akin. And yung Radiance Tint hindi nag-oxidize sa akin. Die! Now, another thing that I like to do kapag, alam mo yun, mag-a-apply ako ng base, sometimes I like sponge. Pero, alam mo yun, iba rin kasi yung lapat kapag sarili mong kamay yung ginamit mo. Of course, kailangan sanitized. And you guys, kung discoloration lang naman yung problema mo, alam mo yun, wala ka namang like huge pimples, pwede na yung ganito. Actually, kahit may mga blemishes ka, pwede rin sa'yo to. Tapos, mag-spot conceal ka na lang. Para hindi ka masyadong super caked up. I have blemishes down here. Yan ang isa-spot conceal ka lang. Pero honestly, okay lang na hindi siya like super takip na takip. Para magmukhang, alam mo yun, natural looking pa din. Hindi ka like super made up. Hindi ka like, alam mo yun, nag-heavy makeup. Plus, pag itong ginawa mo dahil, makakatipid ka na. Hindi mo kailangan magbayad ng makeup artist or hindi mo kailangan bumili ng mga, alam mo yun, bonggang-bonggang full coverage foundations. Next is itong eyes natin. I'm not gonna try to cover it. Instead, I'm going to use it as an asset as if I have like a brown eyeshadow beneath. Pero ikaw, it depends on you. If you wanna cover up your dark under eye circles, go ahead. Pero ako kasi, meron akong gagawing eyeshadow look na, alam mo yun, I don't have to cover the dark under eye circles. Plus, yung blush technique na gagamitin ko kasi is you know, somehow mako-cover din, malalagyan yung under eye circle for a more fresh looking look. One of the most underrated but really powerful eyeshadow in the market and affordable is from Everbelena Cosmetics. Ito yung shadow stick. Cream eyeshadow. I'm going to use the shade Copper. Charot, I'm going to use the shade Bronze pala. No need for a base kasi ang kapit ng eyeshadow na today. And then I'm just going to spread it all over my lids. And if you're aiming for a, you know, somehow natural looking makeup, I'd go for cream shadows instead of yung powder. And then, maglalagay na rin ako ng konti dito. Just very, very konti. Dun lang sa lash area. And then I'm going to get the black one. Pero gagamit ako ng ganitong brush. And then I'm just going to apply it close to my lash area. And then I'm going to use this brush to smudge it. What I'm going to do, guys, is depende sa'yo. If you wanna put eyeliner, go ahead. Pero ako, I'm not gonna put eyeliner anymore kasi yung black eyeshadow na nilagay ko, yun na yung pang-define ng eyes ko. Kasi sometimes, eyeliners can smudge throughout the day. Kung meron kang super powerful na eyeliner, go ahead. Pero ako, I'm not gonna put any more eyeliner. Okay na ako sa definition that I have. And depende din sa'yo if you're going to put false lashes. Pero ako kasi wala akong magandang history with falsies kapag may mga wedding. Palaging either natatanggal o di naman kaya nade-deform niya yung shape nung eyes ko. What I like to do is stick with really powerful mascaras. So I'm going to use itong sa O2O. And then I'm going to generously coat all of my lash hairs. Another thing you can do, guys, is yung Taiwan lashes, gupitin nyo sa gitna, and then yun ang ilagay nyo sa gilid. Yun yung palagi kong ginagawa. Kaya lang, wala akong Taiwan lashes ngayon. Done with the lashes. O, diba? Parang nakadagdag siya ng definition on my eyes. Pero before we continue with the base, pauulanan ko ng setting spray yung buong mukha ko. And this is very important, you guys. Kahit na, alam mo yun, tinted serum yung meron ka, this is going to help maintain the itsura and at the same time, maging long-lasting yung makeup mo. This is just the first of the many sprays na we're going to do. Pag nakaset na yung setting spray, I'm going to get a translucent powder. This one is from Detail Cosmetics. Preferably translucent powder, you guys, para hindi maapektuhan yung color nung base mo. Now, kapag nagset na siya, another round of setting spray. Yes. While waiting for the setting spray to set, I'm going to do my eyebrows na. Hinuli ko siya kasi, guys, may powder pa tayo and everything. So, isa sa mga pinakamaasahan talaga is from EFFORTLESS Cosmetics. Eyebrow tattoo pen, really long-lasting, really pigmented. Yan, kung sanay ka na sa liquid felt tip. Ngayon, kung hindi ka pa sanay, I'm pretty sure you have your own option of a long-lasting eyebrow pencil. Now, for the blush, yes, huli ang contour. Isa sa mga pinaka-favorite ko talagang ginagamit sa mga events is from Maybelline. Ito yung kanilang Fit Me blush. And I have here the shade Wine. And gustong-gusto ko to kasi it has a really light pigment. Tas meron siyang sheen na kasama. Mas natural looking yung flush mo. Hindi siya yung parang powder na itsura. The blush style that I love to use sa mga weddings is the Igari style. Or yung pati under eyes mo kasama. Kasi it looks more cute. More fresh, more nakakabata. And actually, parang ito yung favorite style ni Heart Evangelista. Yung buong dito niya talaga. Ganun. So, light dab. A little bit on the nose. And a little bit over here sa gilid. At diba, pag ganitong style ng blush, hindi mo kailangan ma-pressure na takpan yung under eyes mo, lagyan ng maraming concealer and everything. Then, I'm going to proceed with the contour. Hinuli ko si contour kasi ayokong matakpan siya. Alam mo yun. Siya ang priority kong makita. Lalo na sa mga kasalan, makikita mo yung mga kamag-anak, o kaya yung mga friends mong matagal mo nang hindi nakikita. Syempre, papansinin yung mga malalapad sa'yo. Tumaba ka ba? Pumayat ka ba? Huwag kakalimutang i-highlight yung inner corners, you guys. This is going to open up your eyes, brighten up your features, and it will help make you look fresher. Ganyan. And then a little bit of highlight dito sa gilid. Now for the lips, dati-dati, super fan talaga ako ng mga matte, kiss-proof, transfer-proof na liquid lipstick. Kaya kasi very tricky yung mga pagkain sa handaan. Sometimes they are more powerful than your liquid lipstick. So nag-iba ako ng style. Lalagay ako ng lip tint as a base, like makapal na layer ng lip tint. This one is from Get Ready With Me Cosmetics, Aqua Tint, Lip and Cheeks in the shade 1993. And then I wait for it to set. Kapag nag-set na siya, saka ako paglalagay ng lip gloss. Sorry. Naglagay ako bago chumika. For the gloss, I'm using itong sa Maybelline Lifter Gloss. A lighter shade of gloss. You can use whatever. Pwedeng sa FS Cosmetics. Pwedeng yung sa Colorette. Now, I chose a lip gloss because mas maganda yung plumpier lips. Mas fresh looking ka. Mas younger looking ka. And at the same time, you guys, feeling ko kapag kakakain, mas okay na mas madali siyang tanggalin para makakain ka ng masarap kesa dun sa gagamit ka ng super duper matte, long-lasting, kiss-proof, waterproof. Pero alam mo yon, matatanggal yung inner corners. Eventually, matatanggal yung inner corners. May hirapan ka pang tanggalin everything to like retouch o di naman kaya magiging masagwa na siyang i-retouch kasi dry na siya. And may mga latak-latak na ng oil from the food you ate. Ito guys, super duper last round of setting spray. Importante to. Alright guys, so this is my effortless wedding guest or even bridesmaids makeup. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Oh, by the way, if you're interested with the BT21 items, I'm going to link them all down below at the description box. So yeah, again, thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.